सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेले कोंकणी खाण आणि जेवण चॅनलांतू सर्वांके स्वागत. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Pitti galnu, Dentya Upkari. When drumsticks are in season and you get a lot of them, you can try out this very simple and easy to do yet so delicious upkari as a side dish with veg or rice. The star attraction for this is adding rice flour, which gives volume and an extra pep to this upkari. Here I got some drumsticks from my garden. I'm taking about 4 to 5 of them. Peel the drumsticks partly, cut into pieces and then wash them. Heat 1 tablespoon oil, splatter the mustard seeds and add 1 red chili. This is for a non-spicy version which kids will love. If you want a spicier version, add some chili powder too and a little hing. Now add the drumsticks and enough water to cook. Add salt and cook until almost done. They should have just turned soft with shape intact. Ensure there is a little water left. Now drizzle 2 tablespoons of rice powder and a little haldi. Mix well without any lumps. Simmer for a few seconds. Sprinkle water if needed so that the rice powder is well cooked. Drizzle a little oil. Cover and keep for a few minutes. Now this is ready to be served with rice as a side dish. Do try out and let me know if you like this.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.